Well, I don't care because you feel like I don't. Alright, I'm gonna let you know this time. Good.
Okay, y'all, this is my 4C natural hair. As you can see, it's real like afro, like, you know, woo woo. That's what we're working with. Okay, so I got the wrong apple cider vinegar. It didn't have the mother in it. So yeah, I used water, but y'all, it worked fine with water. Now you want to let the clay mask sit on your hair for like an hour, 2 hours. Child, I had this stuff on all day. Period. Now, y'all knew I had to do me a little wash and go. This is my first wash and go or whatever. You know, styling and profiling. Period. Yes. Oh, show them a little. Yes. Look at that thing hang, y'all. My hair ain't never really hung like this or never really been this defined. So I will continue to do this at least like once a month, every 2 months. Whatever it takes, because baby, I'm loving it.